Hey guys, we'll have another video, and look what I got here. In the box! Lakewood 1200. Yes, Spats Bear, as you can see, I've joined the ranks of owners of In the Box scores. This fan, how I got it, it goes like this. One time I was surfing the eBay Craigslist section on the DT forums, and I found this ad, and this was in Houston, Texas, in my city. I thought, cool, I can just go get this. I knew I wanted this version of it, especially since it's hard to find, and they break in shipping. Well, thank goodness I was able to find it right in my city. As you can tell, I love the color of the blades. They're blue. Yeah, these fans, I'm told, have a very powerful motor. Same motor and blades as their smaller box fans. Tried it out and it sure is powerful. They're good fans. Also, what's strange is, on the motor, the date code says, the date code says J81, I think, which probably means September of 1981, which is strange because they probably began making the 1200As that same time, and of course, as y'all know, the very last of the 1200s had a white cage, and this one still has a clear cage. So, well, without further ado, we walk over and give a demonstration. So we'll start off on high. Boy, does it put out a breeze. These things have very powerful motors compared to your usual Galaxies or what have you. Very powerful. Go to medium. Still throwing out some air. Well, these motors sure can take you a long way. Now low. Now on the low speed, pretty much it and the Galaxy are the same. So probably not much difference between the two on the low speed. I pretty much alter it and the Galaxy out week by week. So now we'll turn on the oscillator. Here's low with oscillation. And the low speed, I think the medium speed too seem to run a bit slower when the oscillator is on. Why that is, I do not know. Now we'll go to medium with the oscillator on. It seems to just slow down when it gets to the middle while it's oscillating. It only slows down slightly. It's not too bad. Now back up to high with the oscillator on. Thankfully on high it runs normally while the oscillator's on. Okay, let it get back to the center and disengage the oscillator. And now off. And of course, if you look through there, you can see the motor. Same FASCO motor used on their smaller box fans. Well, from that area anyway. Let's see if we can see it right within the back. You can probably barely see it. Oh, anyway. And here's the box. Looks to be in good condition. Like the 1200A's box, but in sort of in blue rather than orange like the 1200A. Manufactured totally and completely in the United States of America. That's for sure. Too bad you can't say that for today's Chinese-made junk. And that's my late 70s, early 80s Lakewood 1200 table fan. Thank you for watching.